Hey, hello, traders. This is Uncle Mike from Teach Talk Trade, and I have some exciting news to bring to you. It is the culmination of the weather vane, the market weather vane. Uncle Mike's been working on this for a while, and it is now ready to be shown live in the trading room each day. What is the market weather vane? Have you ever found yourself trading in the markets and it seems if you're running against the wind? On other occasions, you may find yourself trading with the wind at your back and the sun in your face, and what a feeling that is. This metaphor is an appropriate one as the underlying conditions of the general market are as dynamic as the changing weather patterns. Sailors, pilots, mountain climbers know the importance of weather all too well. However, the majority of traders are oblivious to this important truth. This is the sole reason for the creation of the market weather vane. The market weather vane is a set of indicators that give the trader a heads up on the current underlying conditions of the market. You will see the market weather vane broadcast in the trading room all day, and you'll be able to make trade decisions based upon the prevailing conditions. Most traders realize that choppy conditions equate to lost money and typically that a storm is brewing. As a matter of fact, with the weather, when you see storm conditions, high winds, rains, so forth, typically, as a human, you take cover and shelter. Well, while trading, we look for storm conditions, and it's kind of the opposite. What you want to do is see the storm conditions and then ride the storm conditions. You want to ride the wind. You want to be in the direction of the storm with your trades. Well, now let's take a quick overview of the weather vane, and it's explained more in detail in the room. First thing you want to look at is right here at the climate meter. The climate meter points to the current market environment. The environment ranges from varying degrees of bullishness to bearishness. It also indicates when to step aside and not participate in the market. For the trader, the climate meter is invaluable as it reveals the bias of the underlying market. So we have the scale, we go up and down, and then we show you the conditions. This happens to be at the end of the day on Friday, and you can see it was overextended selling, and we're looking for a reversal watch, so you get your heads up there. That's the first thing you should look at. The second is up here, the wind meter. The wind meter measures the underlying pressure and direction of the force behind the buyers and sellers. With this meter, there is a corresponding set of general conditions that inform the trader to these dynamic variations. And again, right here, again at the end of the day, we were low on the scale, strong institutional participation. The wind meter will show high and low pressure areas as well as the wind speed. You certainly would not want to trade against a 50-mile-an-hour wind or run against a 50-mile-an-hour wind. You want to run with it. For example, the meter will indicate when institutional buy-or-sell programs are running, when there is a bullish or bearish institutional participation in the market, and when the pressure is neutral. The next is the temperature meter, or the heat meter, right down here. And this meter reveals when the underlying market is running hot, cold, or in between. In other words, when the intensity or friction between the buyers and sellers is peaking, you will see a high reading. Likewise, when there's a lack of intensity or friction, you will see a low or negative reading. This is a very powerful tool to help you gauge optimum trading opportunities. Over on the right, it's placed on a 5-minute chart, but you use these all day with any type of trading, any type of time frame. This is just giving levels. Uncle Mike puts his levels in for support and resistance each day. And that will be an invaluable tool. We also have a couple new items that we'll be adding to the weather vane to round it out in the coming days. The above indicators are tools that give the trader insight into the underlying conditions of the market. They are not designed to replace strategies or methods employed by the trader. They are designed, however, to incorporate with your favorite strategies to maximize profit and minimize losses. Be on lookout for an email as we're having a couple days of open house. I am going to let you in at 9 o'clock after all the members are in, and it's first come first serve. as there is a limit on the number of people that can be in the room. So make sure you get there early or right at the time that it will open. So watch your email. I'll have a couple days if you'd like to come in and take a look at the weather vane and see how it can help you in your trading endeavors. Well, thanks for joining Uncle Mike, and I will see you in the room. And if you have any questions, fire them away in the room, and you will see for yourself how this weather vane can catapult you into a different level of trading. Thanks.